Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? Hope all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to all NIVS Home School. This is Sonia, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the student of class 5 students, and our today's topic chapter 11 lesson 2 discussion. Look at the board my dear students. This is students date, class 5, subject Bangladesh and Global Studies, term annual, and your topic chapter 11 lesson 2 discussion, lecture number 49. This is your teacher name and this is my mobile number. So my dear students, let's start out today's topic. So my dear students, this is chapter 11 lesson 2. Lesson 2 is the Khashi. The Khashi, one of the ethnic group, the Khashi. The Khashi lived mainly in Sylhet, in what was a former kingdom called Joyanto. It is called that the Khashi live in that kingdom. So Khashi live in Sylhet. So Khashi live in Sylhet in what was a former kingdom called Joyanto, and this former kingdom called Joyanto thought that the Khashi live in that Joyanto kingdom. Thought that the Khashi live in that Joyanto kingdom. So their language, like the Garo, their language is spoken and not written. Okay. So in the Khashi so in the Garo, the language is spoken and not written in. It is called Mon Khemi. It is called Mon Khemi. The society. Also like the Garos, their society is matriarchal, but the youngest daughter inherit the family property. They are an agricultural society which specializes in growing better leaves and cultivating bees. So their society is also the Garo society, also like the Garo. So Khashi society and Garo society is like as Garo, same. The society is matriarchal, but the youngest daughter inherits the family property. They are an agricultural society which specializes in growing better leaves and cultivated leaves. So the society is matriarchal, but the youngest daughter inherits the family property. They are an agricultural society and they specialize growing in better leaves and cultivating bees. And they are growing better leaves and cultivating bees. So Khashi language and Khashi society as like as Garo, and Garo's language name is Mon Khemi. So Garo's language name is Mon Khemi. Then food. The main foods of the Khashi are rice, meat, dried fish, honey. However, they consider better leaves very scarce. They welcome their guests with the better leaves and nuts and tea. So Khashi's main foods is rice, meat, dried fish, honey. These four are Khashi's main food. However, they consider better leaves very scarce. They welcome their guests, it is very important. They welcome their guests with the better leaves, nuts and tea. And all the Khashi's group, they welcome their guests with better leaves, nuts and tea. Then next, clothing. The girls wear a blouse called Kajim pin. So girls wear a blouse. Girls wear a blouse called Kajim pin. This is girls' dress name Kajim pin. The men wear shirt and lungi called Fungo Marong. Fungo Marong. The men wear shirt. So men wear shirt and lungi and this called Fungo Marong. Fungo Marong. Then religion. The Khashi worships several gods, among whom the father is Uble Nangthau, creator of the earth. So Khashi worships several types of gods, among whom the father. So their god's father is Uble Nangthau, creator of the earth. So they pray this Uble Nangthau, and this is creator of the earth. They thought that this Ulbe Nangthau, creator of the earth, and Ulbe Nangthau is the father of their gods, and this Khashi thought that this will be Nangthao, creator of the earth. This is their thought. Then festivals. Dance and music accompany every festival. So dance and music accompany every festival. So dance and music is compulsory for Khashis any festival. Their puja, weddings, festivals brought and flood. Their puja, wedding, festival brought and also flood. In that occasion, they doing dance and music. For these purposes, the Khashi organized festival. For all these purposes, they also organized any type of festivals. In that any type of festivals, they are doing dancing, music, all types of program. These are the Khashi's children. These all are the Khashi's children. Again, I am saying this. Khashi live in Sylhet, and they thought that Khashi live in Joyanto kingdom, and their language name is Hmong Khmer. This is spoken and not written. And society, Khashi is also matriarchal society, and they are growing betel leaves and cultivating bees and food. Khashi's main food is rice, meat, dried fish, honey, and it is very important that they welcome their guests with betel leaves, nuts, and tea. Clothing. The girls wear blouse called kajim pin, and men wear shirt and lungi called pungo marang. And religion. Their God's father's name will be Nangthao, and they thought that Ulbe Nangthao is the creator of the earth. And festivals, dance and music is a must, and they in all the program like puja, wedding, festivals, and drought and flood, they all are doing dancing and music. So this is our today's topic, and our number 6. Let us do more. And this is a photo of the Khashis demanding a ban on logging in 2008. So this is a picture of the demanding a ban of logging in 2008, and in 2008 the Khashi demanding a ban on logging. What are the negative impacts of logging for the environment? Now I will say this answer. Listen to me carefully. Now, the negative impacts of logging for the environment are, again I am saying, the negative impacts of logging for the environment are: number 1, trees take in carbon dioxide and give off oxygen in the air. So logging will increase the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Then number 2, the environment will get warmer due to logging. Number 3, the amount of rainfall decrease due to logging. Logging result in excessive soil erosion during the storm and floods. So again I am saying, during logging, carbon dioxide increasing, and environment will warmer due to logging, and amount of rainfall decreasing due to logging, and logging result in excessive soil erosion due to storm and flood. So these are the negative impacts of logging. And number D, complete the sentence. The Khashi's social structure, like that of the Garo, is matriarchal, but the youngest daughter of the Khashi family inherits the family property. Again I am saying this. The Khashi's social structure, like that of Garo, is matriarchal, but the youngest daughter of the Khashi's family inherits the family property. So my dear students, this is our today's topic. I hope all of you students have understood this topic. See you again inshallah.